It's such a long time I don't make video in my channel. So today I will read the story. Here is Coming and Going at Parrot. I have the story is about Parrot, but I love this story most because it's more funny and more interesting than the story Parrot Packs. And you want to hear it? Let's go and check it out. What is coming and going at the Parrot Packs. All the Murphys live at 53 Parrot Parks. Mommy, Daddy, and 6 children like stairs. Rory is 9, the eldest. He knows everything nearly. Anna is 7. She wants to be a boy. Mary is 6. She wants to be a vet in Africa. The twins are 4. Catherine is a ballerina. Cormac is wild and wide. Susan is only 1. She smiles and listens to nobody. Nope. Chapter 1. Grass. All the Dublin, the grass grows tall and pale in long hot summer. At 53 Parrot Parks is a bit higher than Rory's and as high as Catherine's short. Time to cut it, says Daddy. Daddy and Mommy and Susan go indoors. All the Murphys search the garden for things that could break the lone mirror. We have to find 3 things each, says Rory. At least, says Anna. The top of the grass is scratchy, pale and dry. Lower down is cool, dark and soft. I found 5 things, says Cormac. He has 2 stones, one with a hole in it, a straight stick, a tennis ball, and a sock. He found them too quickly. I found these last time, says Rory. I remember that stick, says Mary. You hit them, says Catherine. Last time when the grass cut, Cormac hid this thing in a coal shed, so he wouldn't have to search this time. Now he has to find 3 more things. Rory collects stones from Smarty hiding place. Anna finds her book, Facts After Last Week's Rain. She reads it, still searching, and trips on a cup. Now she has found 2 things. I thought you were lost forever, says Maurice when she finds Tiny Teddy. There are snails beside him and she collects them. Catherine finds a bright bracelet. I hope I can keep it. Cormac finds a stick and breaks into 3 pieces. Everything is put on a stack. Smarty stone stick that Porky has chased but not found. The snails, Lego from games of soldiers, a cup, Catherine bracelet, Anna's book, Tiny Teddy, and 5 things Cormac has kept from last time. Now, Daddy Murphy's pushed the lawnmower into the garage. She pulls the cord and the mower spins and snail. Daddy snail back until roar. It's such a big noise. Goes the mower. Then Daddy cuts the grass. Daddy Muffy did not cut the grass in straight line. No, he cut in a maze. You know the maze? The maze is very I can tell it very wiggle. It's like wiggle straight line and right now and left now and wobble and wiggle. It can go any size. When you are loose into a maze, it's difficult to go outside. Sure, I do not want to go to the maze anymore. Up and across and wiggle, and when it's a stressing and difficult maze in all the Muffy plays freezy maze. Yeah. The rules: you cannot go bits between the paths. You cannot jump on path to another. You cannot push any way out of the way. You can throw grass. Catherine stuffed grass down Cormac's back. It's great. Cormac squirrels. Anna jumps on Catherine, and Daddy whistled like a free. Everyone freeze. Time to finish the grass, says Daddy. He cuts the between bits of the maze. All the Muffies collect the grass in a big heap. They are all green, skinned straight all over from grass. Good work, Martins, says Daddy. Rory throws the tennis ball up, catch up. And many time, up, catch up. Oh, it's take very long. Over the world. It's a little not. It's a tittle? I don't know. Catherine takes her bracelets and Anna takes her book. Daddy picks up the soaps and the snails slide out of the sun. Soon Smarty sneaks away with a stone. The fountains are disappearing. All the Muffies scratch where grass snake into their clothes and sniff the delicious smell of summer grass. And look, the garden is just any garden now. It's just more grass. But also they can't see it. The grass is finally growing just like all the Muffies. Now it's the end of chapter 1. Now, and how do you think about it? It's become with a happy chapter and you're curious to see how is chapter 2 come? I'm sure you did. And wait, chapter 2 has begun. Bye.